Hello YouTube, Dr. Solar coming to you from Lagos, Nigeria. So here is a new job we're doing. There are 20 340 watt panels on the roof. We're building our own customized, what do you call it, combiner box. And that's stopper right there, how that work. We've been on this job for about a week now. There's PV on other buildings. And then I'm going to take you inside and show you what's going on. Excuse me, my people. So we have a 250 100 amp Victron MPPT, a 5 kVA multi-plus, our trusty Nissan lead batteries, and then that's our changeover. That's our, I believe, AC input breaker box. And here's our DC input breaker box. So we're pretty psyched. We look forward to, let me see if I can back up and get enough of it into the frame for you to see. Yep, you can see it in the frame. So we hope to have enough connections going tomorrow for us to commission this. Let me go back again so you can see. We're powering this entire building without the ACs, of course. And as you can see, so it's after 5, so we're going to wrap up for the day and then come back tomorrow and continue. For those of you that love trucks, here's this Land Cruiser. I'm madly in love with it. If I can get this, I'll be set. It has locking differentials. It has front locking and rear locking, and you can lock the front and rear differentials. And it's pretty impressive. It's manual, stick shift, with, as you can see, it has a transfer case. So you have 2 high, you have 4 high, 4 low. Pretty exciting. Let me see if I give you a better view of the Land Cruiser. I love these Land Cruisers. You don't get them in the US. And this is, I had asked them to sell it to me and they wouldn't sell it to me. Pretty impressive, right? It even has jerry cans on top. I didn't notice that. Wow, look at that. It has a jerry cans, look at that. That is just so neat. Your classic off-roader. Let me go to the back so you can see from the back. Very impressive off-roader. I'm so excited. Let me see if I can show you the jerry can. See the jerry can? Friends in Australia, I'm sure you're used to seeing this. My friends in the US, we don't get this, so we're pretty psyched. We see the Hilux, which is pretty common. But this is very, very, well actually, Hilux is common in Nigeria, not common in the US. But this is a veritable off-roader. It's a Land Cruiser. I think it's built in South Africa. Solid axles in front, solid axles in the rear. I'm pretty psyched. Sorry, it's not solar related subject, but it's something that I get excited about when I see. So back to the solar job. We have panels on another building back that way. And we have panels also on this building. So when we're done, we'll be doing this we'll be connecting this, putting an inverter in this building next. And then we're done, there's a building all the way back there that we'll be doing. Once again, this is Dr. Solar coming to you from Lagos, Nigeria. So our earth wire is coming down from the panels, going to a 6-foot earth rod. And then here are strings with our earth wire as well. So we have 4 strings. You're smiling. Go ahead, you can smile. You're going on YouTube. We have our 4 strings. And then they're going to go into this combiner box that we just built here. And then that combiner box is going up there. You see there's some red dots. It's going to go up there. So let me see if I get close enough to see red dots. Red dots, that's where it's going to go. Hello YouTube, Dr. Solar here, work in progress at Lagos State. And this is where we are so far. As you can see, those are AC input breakers. We have 163 amps and 132. The input is 63, the output is 32 amps. And then we have a 250, 100 Victron MPP charge controller with built-in Bluetooth. Here is our, go back. Here is our changeover that allows us to bypass the inverter anytime we have a problem with it. And then here's our Victron Multi Plus. Actually, I didn't realize how big this bad boy was until I looked at it now. And then here are our two, instead of using that battery fuse combiner, now we're using a, what do you call it, a 2-pole Schneider breaker. And that's for our batteries. So each battery has a breaker, and the BMS is built in. So let me go back so you can see what we've done or what we're doing. Sorry for the lighting, not very good lighting. So that's it so far. So the next breaker we're going to put in here will be for the charge controller. It's going to be at least 100 amps and 250 volts 100 amps. So we might use a fuse. We're not quite sure how we're going to do, but we'll get it done. And then I'll take you outside and show you the combiner box we built. One of our associates, team members built this. He did a fantastic job. We have 4 strings. This has to be changed because the voltage is a little too low. And then this is our PV. Speak loud. Surge arrestor. And then here's our ground, our earth cable, and everything is going to be grounded. Hello, madam. Welcome back.